Have you ever really paid attention to what your DoorDash or Uber Eats driver really truly looks like? Or have you said, hey, that driver looks like my favorite Yankees player or Scarlett Johansson? Yeah, maybe I took it a little too far with that one. But there are 3 celebrities lately that have been moonlighting as DoorDash and Uber Eats drivers. Want to find out which one could be your next delivery driver? I do. Welcome back, everyone. It is Kim from Kim's Side Money Plans here for the RideShare Guy. So who are these famous people? Well, 2 are athletes, and the other one is a billionaire and a chief technology officer of a company that we all know and are very familiar with. You are going to want to stick around until the last one because I have really exciting news. One of them is going to be on this very channel sometime soon, and I'm going to give you all the details. Here's a question for you. If you knew celebrities or even famous people were delivering DoorDash to your area, would it actually make you order more from any of these platforms? That would be nah for me. These delivery fees are just out of control lately. Unless the celebrity is doing some charity work and my meal ends up at my door for free. I'm just saying. What is the one celebrity you would like to see bring your food to your door? Now let's move on to these famous people that have been moonlighting as delivery drivers. The first one I was pretty excited about because I'm a pretty big Yankees fan, being from New Jersey. It is Cabrera, who is a switch-hitting super utility player for the Yankees. He had a tough go in 2020 during the pandemic when the minor league season was canceled, and we all know minor baseball players don't really pay that well. Well, he decided to work as an Uber Eats, DoorDash, and even Amazon driver. He needed to make the money to pay for his personal trainer, which I can't even imagine the price tag on that one. But these gig apps did it for him, and everybody wanted to know. What were his ratings? Next is Andy Fang, also known as the Chief Technology Officer for DoorDash, co-founder along with Tony, and he is also a billionaire, not millionaire, a billionaire. Wouldn't you like to have him deliver to your door and give him some feedback? I'm sure we would all have a lot to say. I know I personally would. How about, hey Andy, since you're the Chief Technology Officer and you're a tech company, why does your app glitch sometimes and not work? Well, Andy does 1 hour of dashing once a month. Do we actually believe this? I don't know. And sometimes he is not alone and Tony ends up going with him. Do we even believe that one? I need a dash cam footage of all of this to honestly believe it. Well, according to the article, he does it because DoorDash has the WeDash program that requires all salaried employees in the US, Canada, and Australia, including the 3 co-founders, to complete at least 4 deliveries each year. According to DoorDash's website, it, quotes, allows employees to look deeper into how these products we build empower local economies, which in turn helps us build a better platform. He said they founded the program in 2015 because they wanted the program to make sure that all of the company's coworkers understand what others are going through, just like us dashers. Anyway, well, Andy learned firsthand recently one of the app's many flaws because GPS sent him to the wrong location of the restaurant he was going to. Aw, poor thing. So let me know what other things you would like to see go wrong on his next delivery. The app glitches, the app crashes, that would be poetic justice. He gets a 50-cent hidden tip. Oh, I can probably just go on and on about the things we can probably see go wrong. But when this happened to him, he promises to make it better. There is a good reason, Andy, I don't use the in-app navigation. I'm just saying. Finally, the last one is Cincinnati Bengals punter Drew Chrisman made the news recently because this summer he'll be working as a DoorDash driver during the NFL offseason. He has been using the money he has been making on DoorDash to support local restaurants and feed people in his community, which I think is pretty awesome. Finally, someone doing some good for the community and DoorDash. Drew started posting about this delivery adventures on social media in June with a video of himself delivering toilet paper and Starbucks on his bike. I think that's pretty cool. His bike riding is helpful for him personally, as some of his routes are uphill, downhill, and long distance. Great training for the off season. Win-win, give back to the community and condition at the same time. So here is the big news that you guys have been waiting for. Our very own Sergio will be interviewing Drew about his time with DoorDash, and you will only get to see it right here on this channel. Even better, he will be joining Chris and Sergio for Show Me the Money Club, which is live every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. We will update you when both of these will be releasing on this channel. Are you not subscribed to this channel yet? Well, you need to be, and make sure that that bell is turned on so you have all the up-to-date information and you know when things like this are being released for your viewing pleasure. And also, you know what? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up while you're at it. So before we leave, I have a question for you. Out of all these three famous people, which one would you like to see show up at your door? And if Andy Fang showed up, what would you tell him needs to improve on the DoorDash app? I know I have my list. If you are looking for more DoorDash information, go ahead and check this video out right here. I will see you next week. Bye, everyone.